Come here, Dad.
I'm right here, buddy. Where are you at?
The car wash touches this
Car wash? What am I looking at?
spinner.
That's a spinner? And what color? What color are they?
This color and this color.
And what do they do?
Spin.
Huh?
Can you spin them with your hand, Dad?
No,
Come
because they're a machine, so I think we have to turn the machine on. What am I looking at? What's up here?
on. The top one.
Okay. And do we have lights over here? What color are the lights?
A lot of colors.
A lot of colors. Can you tell me?
Blue, green, this color and that color.
What about up here? What do we see here? Huh?
This green,
What?
yellow,
Uh-huh.
stop,
The stop. What color is stop?
red.
Red. Good job.
This is spinner. I like them.
Look at these ones.
Yeah, how are we gonna touch the top brush?
Let me hold you up.
I think
Come here.
I want to touch the blowers.
Okay.
Top brush. What's the top brush doing? What's it doing? What the blowers go on with?
What colors do you see?
This one. This one.
What colors?
Yellow.
Yellow
Red.
and red.
How are we going to take them off?
Are they wet? No, we're not going to take them off, Goofy Head.
Come on.
You silly goose. We're not taking those off.
Let's go, Mom.
Hey, what colors do you see up here? What is this one?
Red.
Red,
Orange.
yellow.
Yellow. Green.
Good job. Say bye, everybody. Look at me.
Bye, everybody. I'm going to still touch this car wash.